Good morning. I welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Today I am here with new module, that is module 5 of the poem A Legend of Northland. The poet is Fabikere and I am your teacher of English, Nisha Sharma. Stanza 13. Now you shall build as the birds do, and shall get your scanty food by boring and boring and boring all day in the hard dry wood. Now, dear children, Saint Peter had cursed the little woman for being greedy. And what was the curse? The curse was that she will be now changed into a bird. And she will build her house, she will build her nest as the birds do. And she will get her small amount of food, not very easily as she was getting in the form of a human being, but by boring and boring and boring all day in hard dry wood. It means that she will be changed into a bird, and the name of that bird is woodpecker. Then up she went through the chimney, never speaking a word, and out of the top flew a woodpecker, for she was changed to a bird. And as soon as Saint Peter cursed the little woman, she went up through the chimney. And she didn't speak even a single word. And when people saw, they saw that out of the top flew, out of the top means out of that chimney, people could see a woodpecker. Why? Because the lady was changed to a bird. And what was the name of the bird? The name of the bird was woodpecker. Stanza 15. She had a scarlet cap on her head, and that was left the same, but all the rest of her clothes were burnt, black as a coal in the flame. When the lady was cursed by Saint Peter to be changed into a bird, at the time she was wearing a red cap on her head. And the same kind of cap was left when she was changed even into a bird. On the other hand, all the rest of her clothes, they were burned. Why they were burned? Because she ran through the chimney, and they were burned as black as coal in the flame. As I have told you, the flame is of the chimney. So she was all black when she came out. So you can see that the woodpecker is a bird which has a black body and on which there is a red colored cap like structure on its head. And every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood where she lives in the trees till this very day, boring and boring for food. This is the last stanza of the poem. It says that Saint Peter had changed that little woman into a bird long years back. But even now, every country schoolboy can see her in the wood. In which form? In the form of a woodpecker, where she lives in the trees till this very day. The little woman has been changed into a bird, and one can see her still in the trees. And what is she doing there? She is boring and boring for food. She is boring the wood for getting the small amount of food that is required to her. In this way, the poet wants to tell us that if we are doing something wrong, if we are greedy, if we are selfish, then we are sure to get the result of that. So this was the end of the poem, A Legend of Northland. Thank you.